Hi there, in this video I will show you how to buy crypto in MetaMask. So for this I am here on portfolio MetaMask and I am on the review page. In left side we have move crypto option, click on it and now click on buy. So there we have two options, that is you can buy the coins or you can sell. If you want to sell you can switch it. So for now I will go back in buy section. Okay, so now here you can choose the account and then you can enter the amount of how many dollars you want to buy crypto. So let's say I want to buy for $250 and then scroll down and there we have network section. So I will go with Ethereum here as we want to buy crypto. You can choose a network from here as we have a lot of. So once you choose the network, then go back and then we have payment method. So you need to add the payment method here. In my region, only debit or credit card is accepted. So I will go with continue here and then in left side simply click on continue and then you will buy the crypto coins. In this way you can buy crypto in MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, and if you still have any question please comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.